Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartwatch Apple Watch Series 8 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Apple Watch Series 8 smartwatch introduced with new features, half the price of the Apple Watch Ultra. Even before the presentation of the premium Apple Watch Ultra smartwatch, the Cupertino company introduced the Apple Watch Series 8, saying it is a modern smartwatch that has become even better. It's worth starting with the fact that outwardly they do not differ from the Apple Watch Series 7. The watch received a body temperature sensor that can take measurements every 5 seconds and send them to the Health app. Apple emphasized that the measured body temperature data or same menstrual cycle will not be shared with third parties. Apple Watch Series 8 recognizes not only falls, but also car accidents. In this case, the watch can automatically notify the doctor, 911 and saved contacts about the incident. To detect car accidents, Apple has added new sensors to smartwatches. In addition, it was announced that Apple Watch Series, from Series 4 and later, will support a battery-saving mode that will allow you to last longer without recharging. The main advantage of the Apple Watch Series 8 over the Apple Watch Ultra is the price, which is half as much. The Apple Watch Series 8 is priced starting at $400. This concludes the review. Bye bye.